All right, some kind of basic video for today. Import CSV file to Power BI. How to do it? So it's very simple. You just open Power BI, create new source, and yeah, you can see here text CSV. And then I have one CSV file. And the important thing with CSV files is you have to say delimiter. The most of the time is comma. This is always UTF-8. And yes, so you can click OK. And now you see, okay, you have column 1, 2, 3, and so forth. But you want maybe this to be the column name. So click here on this button and use first row as headers. So this is the typical CSV thing to do. And now you can click here, double click this and change the name of the columns. So Power BI already got the data types here in change type, yeah, if you don't want that, you can also change, but you can also leave it, for example, here like this. Or actually it has found out the data types anyways. Okay, but sometimes you need to be careful with the, no, it's basically all just ABC, so it's all string. So everything which comes from CSV is string, so this makes sense. So this is name, and this is profession, and this is not a profession and so on. But we have movies here at some point as well. Movie and some link. Okay. So if you want to load this, just click close and apply. But yeah, we can also delete some other columns if we want. So if we want to only keep those columns, just hold the command and then right click on this and remove the other columns. So we have only this now. So yeah, we could just close and apply for this, and would load the actors inside of our Power BI. And now we have here on the right, we can see our actors, and we can just drag drop right in the and see our table here. So basically, this is Power BI CSV import into the model, and so yeah, this nothing more. You can so let's say Power BI. There's a new folder here, Power BI, and we say CSV import or the actors. And you can definitely think about using the project files, because this is a more modern way to do it, to save Power BI files. Okay, yeah, that's it for today. Please, guys, reach out if you have any questions. I'm a professor and might know some solution, right? Okay, thank you, bye.